So let us just recall this diagram again. As you know, I told you in the beginning, understanding this diagram is quite important. So let us see how we can draw this and how we can remember this. So for this I will make use of my diagram what I have. So these are the letters, you can just ignore for some time. We will just concentrate only on the center, and with this center we are constructing one circle. A circle is constructed, and then we draw a radius to the right side like this. Then we make an angle somewhat like 110 degrees, obtuse angle you have to, somewhat like that. It's not exactly 110 or not exactly 120 also. Somewhat you have to need one obtuse angle, and then you draw a line downwards like this, then complete the triangle. So one triangle we have completed. You can see that these two are radius, and this angle is actually y. Here we have y, and we will make another one triangle, complete that another triangle. For that we will put a line somewhere, point somewhere here, and then we will just join it. So now we have got two triangles, and for both the triangles we can see that the angle, common angle, is y itself. Even though this is minus y, magnitude is same, direction may be different but the magnitude is same. So angle y here also, and here also we have angle y, and both the triangles are congruent because side and in between included angle SAS, SAS. So this radius y, radius y, radius. So therefore it is SAS. Therefore that is also congruent. So this is the complete picture of the diagram. Then we can put the points first here, and 2, 3 and 4 points we have, and this is of course angle x, that is angle y, and totally it will be angle x plus y. So then here it is y. So this P1 is the first point, that is cos x sin x. You can remember I told you how much our angle it is making, that cos of that and sin of x, sin of that angle will be the x coordinate and y coordinate. While explaining unit circle I have told you that. Similarly here minus y, this is cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y. This is P4 is 0, 1, because the unit circle is because of the unit circle the radius is 1. So therefore this y coordinate, I mean x coordinate, it should be 1, 0. I'm very sorry, it should be 1, 0. X coordinate is 1, and this is so x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. So we have 1, 0 there. So this is 1, 0. With all these points, now you know that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore P2, P4 side and P1, P3 side will be congruent, and therefore the distance, if you use the distance formula, the distance P1, P3 and P2, P4 will be exactly the same. On equating we will get the required answer. So for that I am just going to this I am trying to get the textbook actually. So let us see here, this is the proof. So consider the unit circle with center at the origin and x be the angle P4O P1. So don't get confused with that P4O P1. Instead of this you can as well write A, B, C, D, as you have seen in some textbooks or some guides. You can see that they have written like that. You can also use that, no problem. But the only thing is you have to write it correctly, that's all. So these points we have, and these points, what are the coordinates I have explained to you, and why they are equal also I explained to you. Now you know that P2, P4 and P1, P3 are equal. So P1 and P3, this one, they are equal. So if you use the, and you know that here also you know that cos of minus y is cos y itself because it's an even function, and sin of minus y is minus sin y, it's an odd function. So when you substitute all those things using distance formula, you have got cos x minus cos y the whole square plus sin x plus sin y the whole square. Cos x plus cos y the whole square, a minus b whole square, a square cos square plus b square cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus a square sin square plus b square sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. You can easily see that cos square plus sin square is 1, cos square plus sin square again is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 bracket cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Then they have asked why nothing but because cos square plus sin square is 1, cos square y plus sin square is y is 1. That's how it becomes 1, and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Then similarly we have P2, P4. You can see here P2 and P4. Here we have this is the x coordinate, here we have x coordinate is 1. So when you substitute 1 minus cos of x plus y the whole square plus 0 minus sin of x plus y the whole square, that is 1 minus, again you can use the a minus b whole square, that is 1 square is 1 only, and plus cos square y, cos square of x plus y, that is b square, minus 2 into 1 into cos of x plus y, that is here. So this much is one formula, a minus b whole square we have used here. So a square is 1, b square is cos square x plus y minus 2 into 1 into cos of x plus y, plus here 0 is there, so minus of sin of x plus y the whole square is nothing but minus will become sin, and plus and sin will become sin square x plus y. So again here you are getting 2 minus 2 cos x plus y. So when you compare these both, when you compare these two equal distances, 2 will be cut, minus 2 will be cut. So we will have cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So with this I am completing my video. Thank you and wish you all the best for your exams.